Marcy here from myprettyposhprincess.com, and today you will see me very quickly make a fun wristlet featuring the matte black with black leopard beads, dark gray, light gray, and marble in 15 millimeter. This video is current and up to date as of September 2022, and in this video we are featuring one of our brand new wristlet kits. So go and check those out now, myprettyposhprincess.com, and for a more in-depth video that shows each step with great detail, click on the link below in the comment section of this video, and you can learn how to make this. Thank you so much for shopping myprettyposhprincess.com, and enjoy the fun new wristlet kits.